Guys, welcome back to Outdoor Homes at Home Cooking. My name is Kayla. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of dessert pastry. I've got 3 different kinds for us to try, so let's hop on over. So for the 3, some of the ingredients we've got going on, we've got puff pastry sheets, which you can get in the freezer section of any store. We've got our cherry filling. We're going to do a s'mores filling with chocolate and mini marshmallows, and then we've got everybody's favorite of chocolate and peanut butter. So I'm going to do one of each. We're going to get that going. So these I've just kind of rolled out and stretched a little bit. Each one will make about 9. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the cherry. Kind of put it here in the center. Maybe a little more cherry in that. Then we're going to dip into an egg wash. Just go ahead and seal the outside. And we're going to fold this over. It's okay if it doesn't make a complete triangle, because we're going to pinch it off with a fork. Well, it's a good thing my first one came out really messy. That's lovely.
It all takes a little practice.
We'll just roll with it here. That one's going to be really messy. Okay, so we'll start with that one. So then, stretch it out a little bit. This next one, I'm just going to take chocolate, do a couple mini marshmallows, some egg wash here. Now these are really simple. You can do any time of year. You can do these if you take a mini max camping. These are good s'mores. Very carefully roll back this time. We're going to pinch this off. It's going to have a little bit of cherry juice on it, but that's okay. Oh, this one's better than the first one.
That's a good one.
And then we're going to do one more. This one, I'm going to take some chocolate. And I've got some just peanut butter chips here. Our egg wash again. Struggling just a little bit. We're going to pinch these off. One more thing while we've got this going is we're just going to brush the top of these with the egg wash. That way they have a nice crisp outside. Alright, as you see, I've got plenty more to do here. I'm going to get going on those, and we'll come back in just a second and put these on. Alright guys, welcome back. So we've stuffed all of our puff pastries now. Now we're going to put them on the egg. So, as you can see, we've got this preheated 400 degrees. We've got our convector, and we've got a baking stone in there. Now, so these don't stick. We're going to put a piece of parchment paper on there. And we're just going to lay these on here. Those are cherry ones. Sizzling. I'll try to fit as many of these as I can. These are our peanut butter ones I put on here now. Well, I'll be able to fit a couple of these s'mores, possibly just one big s'more. Alright. So, we're going to go ahead and let these cook, and we'll come back and take them off. Alright guys, welcome back. We are going to go ahead and check on these. It's been about 12 minutes. And they look perfect.
Yowza.
Run ahead, carefully get these off here. More caramelization that's on there. Seriously, just like caramelized. It's great. Done. Alright, cut into one. Let's go ahead and cut into this one because it looks really pretty.
Yeah.
It's good. Let's see what goodies are in this one. That one looks like chocolate. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and cook the rest of these, but you get the gist of it. This is just some ideas of what you can put in here. Of course you can do desserts, anything else in the egg. So until next time, thanks guys.